So hello guys, welcome to my channel. In today's video we are going to make solar cleaning system, and for that we are gonna require this much of material: the DC motors, some brushes, 12 volt to ampere adapter, (5 volt) 4-channel relay. We only need one relay, no need of 4. Some jumper wires, DC male female jack, main part, the heart of the project, the Arduino Uno R3, limit switches, and normal on-off switches, 2 pole, some V-belt pulleys, 2, then solar panel, which is the main part. So we have started by welding the chassis where the solar is going to sit, as you can see. We also have mounted the pulleys at the end of the rods. So our chassis is now ready. Now let's see if the solar panel fits inside it or not. It fits just perfectly as designed. Let's mount the motors on the mounts where we added motor mounts. As you can see, we have mounted the motors and the pulleys. The motors we used previously were low power, so we have bought new high powered motors which are 24 volt DC. We also have 3D printed these to attach to brushes. Let's mount the 24 volt DC motors. These are 775 DC motor, which you can find for around 250 on Amazon. We are also going to print 3D printed pulleys for the motors. The motors are now firmly mounted on the chassis. The pulleys are now being 3D printed, as we can see in PETG. Now I have started the coding part. These are the electronic components we are going to require for the coding part. I also upgraded the power supply to 24 volts for the project working. You can see we have not used the belts we bought earlier. We have used a nylon rope, which is more better. If you want to see this project full working, follow me on Instagram and comment for part 2, and I will share part 2 of the full project series. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to my YouTube channel, follow me on Instagram and like this video.